Hello students, today we will learn the criteria of similarity of the triangles. As you can see, the symbol of criteria or similarity is given in the bracket. First criteria is AAA criteria. The criteria is if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are said to be similar. As you can see, let in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, that is angle A is equal to angle D, and angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This criteria is known as AAA criteria or AA criteria. Therefore, we can say AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. That is called CPST. As we generally write, if two triangles are congruent, then we write CPCT. CPCT means the corresponding part of congruent triangle. Here we will write down CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. Next criteria is SSS criteria. SSS criteria is in two triangles, sides of one triangle are in the same ratio to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles will be equal, and hence the two triangles are said to be similar. Let us suppose in these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is coming equal to AC upon DF, let it be equal to K. Therefore, triangle ABC will become similar to triangle DEF, and the criteria is said to be SSS criteria. When all the three sides of one triangle are in the same ratio to the corresponding sides of another triangle, therefore their angles will become equal. So therefore angle A will become equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Next is SAS criteria. That is, if in two triangles, one pair of corresponding sides are in the same ratio and the included angles are equal, then two triangles are said to be similar. For example, let it be in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. The ratio between AB and DE is equal to BC upon EF, and the included angle between AB and BC is B, and the included angle DEF is E. So therefore, if the angle B is equal to angle E, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This criteria is known as SAS similarity criteria. Okay. So the next criteria is RHS criteria. In RHS criteria, we have if the ratio of the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle is equal to the ratio of the hypotenuse and the corresponding sides of another right angle triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar. For example, let in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E, that is 90 degree, and if BC is equal to 4 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeters, and in another triangle EF is equal to 8 centimeter and DF is equal to 10 centimeter. So therefore we can see in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF, AC upon DF is coming equal to BC upon EF, and angle B is equal to angle E, that is 90 degree. Okay, so therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle RHS. This criteria is known as RHS criteria. So these are some similarity criteria. With the help of these similar criteria, we will start the next exercise and we'll complete the exercise in fair copy or in fair notebook. And then if you have any doubt or difficulty, we'll discuss in your query time. Okay, that's all.